In this session, let's try to understand the third principle, that is the Liskov Substitution Principle. In the shortcut key, that is the LSP, Liskov Substitution Principle. So, Liskov Substitution Principle means that subclasses should be able to replace their base classes without breaking the program. So, that is the Liskov Substitution Principle. So, for example, if a class, let's say a bird, can fly, okay, but in the subclasses in that bird, let's assume that sparrow, okay, should be able to use it without any issues. Okay, so for example, if you are having the one class, let's say bird, okay, that bird is having the method, let's say fly method, and if you refer that bird as the parent class to the child classes, then those child classes also should able to use that methods, I mean parent methods. Here parent method is the fly method. Okay, so without any issues, that is the main principle of the Liskov substitution principle. And if you take the one more example, replacing a chef with an assistant, chef should not cause the problems if both performs the similar task correctly. Here, in case if there is any assistant, okay, so assistant able to do the works whatever the chefs is doing, okay. So whatever the base class doing the activities, the same thing should be doable in the subclasses as well. That is the Liskov substitution principle. Okay. So the main advantage of this principle in the sense you can prevent the errors when replacing the classes. So substituting the subclasses won't cause the runtime errors or bugs. And it can promote the reusable subclasses. You can reuse the subclasses across the project without breaking the logic. Okay, and it ensures the reliable code. The behavior of the system remains the predictable when subclasses are used. So these are the main advantages of the Liskov substitution principle. So the main agenda is that you can create the subclasses with the help of the base class, and here whatever the base class doing the activities, the same activities should be doable under the subclasses as well. So here code should not be break. So that is the main principle of the Liskov substitution. In the next session, let's create the program about this principle.